It says it's 70 degrees right now. It's just beautiful out right now. This is the view from our patio. Really nice. We're starting to get our ducks again. You can kind of see them off in the distance there. We got more of a flock over here. Sailing around. It's just really pretty. Wow. Here's our patio. You can actually sit out there now, out here now, with it being 70 degrees. Really nice setting. And then it comes fully equipped with a golden even. Hi, Murph. You chasing the birds today? Go away. Goldie. Anyway, okay. Just really nice. I can't get any closer. Oh well.